Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrapbooks Made Easy with Beth. Today I'm going to show you some cards though instead of a scrapbook page. So this is the newest card kit from Creative Memories called Burst of Gratitude. And when I looked at the pictures of them, you can see a couple on the back. To be honest with you, thought, nah, they're all right. They're not my favorite. Then I made them. They quickly became my favorite. So we have cards that show you which each one is going to look like when they're done. And I love that they're one-sided this time. To make our card kit, you simply open the box. You have your card stock. It also does come with envelopes, which I have them sitting in the box right now because I don't need those. So you do have the envelopes as well. I'm going to set these aside. And then each of our card kits have numbers on the back. So that's number 12, 4. So I just start setting them out now. Those are sorted. You're just going to start picking the first one, the 12th one, whichever one you want, and make your cards. So I'm going to start with number 12. Again, in here, go to number 12. You can see this is a horizontal card. So I'm going to grab a horizontal backing. And then you're literally going to put down 12A, 12B, 12C, and this goes on the inside. So that you'll put there. And that card's done. Then you're going to move on to 11. Okay. how easy it is to put our cards together. This is a done set. I've used foam squares to pop some of them up. So I popped up that, but you can just see they are much prettier. When done, I popped up all of those, popped up the thank you. Just a really fun kit. We have lots more card kits, so go check them out.